So I like a pilaf that's got main dish attitude. This is a hemp millet pilaf with my favorite olives in the whole world, Castelvetrano. If you don't know, now you know, and you're gonna be obsessed. A little bit of parsley, lemon, leek, and some walnuts, so it's got a real Mediterranean flavor, but it'll go with almost anything you wanna throw on the side of your side dish, which is the main dish. Let's get started. Here's our pretty little pilaf. I'm just gonna give it a little extra love, a few more olives, and definitely more hemp hearts. I love food that's hearty. It's really satisfying. Maybe we can do a few more takes so I can just keep eating. Oh, Desiree! I don't think you can be allergic to olives, but in case you are, I apologize. I'll eat your olive. I eat the olive and then I'm gonna have stuff stuck in my teeth. And that's exactly when I should talk to the public. They're mine, don't take my olive. Oh my gosh, my nose is running all of a sudden. I was like, oh my. Let's make a pilaf.